All in all, seem to be working on the 4 circles quite a lot recently. Got this one in 4, specifically a lot of our A5s, ironically, 3 in a row. Got this in for full code, outside air temperature, and what's going on is when you start the vehicle, bear with. So you start the vehicle, we got light on the dash, and within a couple of minutes those radiator fans in front are going to go absolutely flat out. And in addition to that, we've got no onboard temperature. We'd expect the temperature to be on the dash, so we'll get that sensor changed and get it done. Hopefully you can hear that noise. You would assume the aircon is on, but it's not. The aircon is actually off. Now the air temp sensor is down here somewhere. I can't remember where exactly. It's behind this bit. So easiest way to get to it is from underneath. Got a replacement sensor, and then get that plugged in, reset the codes, and then that should sort that problem out for the customer. So before we start, so where you expect to see an air temperature, which is down there, that's now good. And the issue was, on this occasion, I did start to jack it up because it's going to come underneath, but you can actually get to it from the top quite comfortably. So the air temp sensor is there, which was loose and living against this potentially aircon condenser. And in this loom here, where it's been dangling and flapping around in the wind, there was a break in the wire. Got the wire back together, put the protective loom together, literally stick it back in, as in like put it back in this little holder, and that was it, job done on this particular vehicle. So we'll do a quick start up now, make sure the fan's not going to kick in. Actually, that's a lie. What we'll do is, let's come straight over here, bear with. So straight away I got temp reading. Time to get any shorts. In addition to the fan staying on, we had another issue with this vehicle, which was the inlet manifold. It's like a swirl flap motor, and it's sticking. Now the customer is aware of this, did flag it up to him last time. This is related to the fault we just fixed, but this is something I believe he's going to have to get changed, ideally if we can get around to just doing the motor. So under here, bear with, this actuator arm here keeps getting stuck. Now it could be motor inside that's failing, or it could be the actual swirl flap itself. I think they got it slightly different on the VAG group. It used to BM, but it would seem like the customer's gonna have to get that changed as well. Looking at it, it's probably easy just to do the whole shebang, and that way there we can do an inlet clean at the same time. So no more metal fans going round and going nuts. Put this back together, just a plastic intake, a couple of T30s on top, and I've just informed the customer about that, which I have let him know previously, but looks like we're going to have to investigate that further and get that changed for him.